What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I have a package for us, and let's just open it up and I'll show you what I got. It is gonna be, all right, here we go. Ooh. Ooh. If you don't know by now, just by these gaskets. All right, here we go. Ooh. We have a turbo, guys. There we go, guys. No shaft play, so we are good. All right, guys, so here we are with the turbo. I got a GT3582 turbo, and yeah, she's looking great. I cannot wait to get it on. Let's go see what this looks like on the car. All right, oh my God. So it is huge compared to what I thought it was gonna be. Oopsies. Got a pretty big turbo. So it's gonna sit like somewhere right here, and right here. Yeah, guys, this will be awesome. All right, guys, so that's all I have for you today. Just a quick little video on what I got and the new turbo build. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell because you're not going to want to miss this build. You're not going to want to miss this build. Yeah, guys, peace.